Welcome to Microstation Learning. Today we are going to uh, create a drawing shown in this picture. Okay, this is in this picture we have a isometric view of a shape in left right side and the respective side view, front view, top view in left part of this picture. Okay, so this side view, front view and top view are two-dimensional drawings, and this isometric view is a three-dimensional drawing. So the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional drawings is explained in a separate video. I request you to watch the video to understand the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional, between two dimensions and three dimensions. Okay, so first we are going to draw the 2D views from this picture. Okay, so before going to create any drawing, we need to find out the available information by analyzing the picture. Okay, so now I am going to analyze the side view. Okay, so uh, during analysis we have to find out the shape and size of the shape in the drawing. Okay, which means dimensions. Okay, now in this side view we have a rectangle and the dimensions are 40 units length and 35 units width or height, whatever it may be. Then we have a line which is dotted. Okay, hidden line. Okay, we can say it as a hidden line. So this is the main information. We have a rectangle and we have two lines inside the rectangle. Okay, so the first line is is having an offset from the top edge of a rectangle with a distance of 10 units. Okay, this 10 can be indirectly derived. This is not directly mentioned here. This can be indirectly derived from the isometric view. So this is the first line. Okay, so this is 10 units after the top of this rectangle. Then again the bottom hidden line is 15 units offset from the bottom of the rectangle. So we did a small analysis to draw this particular side view. Okay, now we are going to create this in Microstation. Okay, so this is how analysis will work. Okay, now I just minimize this and I am going to open Microstation. Open. Okay, now I am going to create the rectangle with the dimensions. Okay, so it's a shape. Okay, so to draw a rectangle you have to choose the drawing tool palette. In the drawing tool palette you have different options. In this you have to, in W, the option which starts with W, you can find the rectangle shape. The name is place block. Okay, you have to choose place block. Then you can pick the start point. If you drag it down you can see the Y option is selected, and if you drag it right side then X option will be chosen. Okay, now as from the drawing the length is 40, so the 40 is updated. Okay, and the width is 35. So that's all. The rectangle is drawn. Okay, but the rectangle is out of the screen, right? We have to bring the rectangle within the screen. Okay, to this we need to do fit view. Okay, once you click this the rectangle will be created. Okay, fine. Then we have to create a line, right? Two-dimensional. We have to create a line, 10 units offset from the top edge of rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to place line. Okay, so the length is, we know length is 40. Okay, then the angle is 0 degrees. Okay, if you press enter, you can click the wherever you want. Okay, so I am just placing the line just at the top edge. Okay, now I am going to move this line. Okay, so to this I have to select the line, right? Okay, the selection option is the first one, element selection. Now I am going to select all the I'm going to select the line through block option, block and addition option. So just now I am selecting, but the entire rectangle is selected. I have to deselect the rectangle. So I'm going to subtract the rectangle by using this method. Now the rectangle is now the line is selected. I have to move it towards down of 10 mm. Okay, I am just selecting here and I will move. I will just enter the values. Okay, 10. Now the line is, the active point is actually selected. Okay, if I click there, so it's moved. We can find the values here, x 0 and y minus 10. Then do a right click. Okay, now we did it. Then again we have to create another line, another hidden line from the from 15 mm offset from the bottom side. Okay, so for this we have to create another line, the same line here. Again the selection methods. Okay, we have to remove other selected objects. Now the line is selected. Then we have to choose move option. It's in tasks toolbar, the third, in the third manipulate is the third option. In this, the second is moving option. Again we have to click above, we have to go move 15. Okay, it's done. Okay, we have to choose this and do a right click. Now the drawing is completed and we have to deselect all. Now these two lines we have to convert it into hidden format. Okay, now I'm going to select these two lines. Okay, now I'm going to change its properties. Okay, so this property is where it is. Layers, shapes. Okay, so edit, attributes, anything is there, line styles, edit, settings. Okay, we need to choose attributes, right? View attributes. Okay, so how to line style, change line style, right? Settings, view attributes. Okay, something. Okay, I don't know how to change line style, so I'm going to search. Okay, in help you can see the contents. Okay, there you can search line style. Okay, change line style or line styles dialog. Okay, so if you display this, you can see use it to browse and activate line style and set line style modifiers. Opens when line styles custom is chosen. So names, key in, line style editor dialog. Use it to define and modify line style. Opens when you select element line style, edit. Okay, so element line styles, edit. So here file, import AutoCAD line style Microstation resource. cancel styles, open. So L style, I'm going to open this line style. Yes, we have so many line style. Okay, now I am going to choose a hidden line. So hidden line is, yeah, here it is, half dash. Okay, leader line, wide dash, no, arrow, button, cable, T. We have to find the line type which one we need. Okay, here it is, dashed. Okay, it's something origin line. Okay, we have to choose this. Okay, shift to distance and add. Okay, okay, so line style I will add you in a separate video. First you will draw these things, we will look it later. Okay, thank you.